Next, we're going to take a look at some counter problems here. So, looking at my worksheet, I have switch 1 is going to activate an up counter. So we'll call this C1. Okay? And switch 1 will go off and on 3 times. So what this is going to be is a 3-time counter. So I'm going to activate the switch high to low, high to low, high to low 3 times. And then light 1 is going to go on. So I'm going to use the counter 1 done bit, because that means that it has reached 3. When it gets 3, the counter 1 done bit will turn on light 1. It says we'll go 5 times to turn on light 2. So now what I need to do is I need to have switch 1 do another counter, counter 2, and that's 5 times. So apparently after counter 2 gets done, that means the preset has hit the accumulation of 5, it will turn on light 2. And then switch 1 is going to do another counter, counter 3, and that is going to be 7 times. And then when that gets done, counter 3 done is going to turn on light 3. And it says switch 2 will reset all counters. So I'd have a switch 2 do an RST, an RST, an RST, and this was counter 1, counter 2, counter 3. And then that would reset the counters, and then the lights would go off, and then we could start clicking the switch again to see if it turns on the lights. Let's take a look at this next one. Switch 1 will turn on light 1 and 2 after it's pushed 2 times. So I'm going to come up here, switch 1 is going to do counter 1 2 times. And so after counter 1 gets done, it looks like it's going to turn on light 1, and I'll put this one down here as light 2. Switch 2 will turn on lights 3 and 4 after it's been pushed 3 times. So I'm going to go switch 2 is going to do counter 2, and that's 3 times. And so after counter 2 gets done, it is going to turn on lights 3 and light 4. Okay. Switch 2 will also start another timer after it's been pushed 3 times. So after this has hit 3 times, we're going to use that done bit again, and we're going to turn on a timer this time, timer 1, and it looks like it's set for 3 seconds. Timer 1 will turn 1 and 2 off after 3 seconds. So this will go 1, 2, 3 seconds, and because these were already on, timer 1 done will be complete, and it will change the state of that contact, opening that up. Switch 4 resets the system, so we would need our resets, reset, and this would be counter 1, counter 2, and timer 1. So that's a combination of counters and timers working together.